Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Finelo trading strategy courses. So if you're learning to trade on Finelo, their trading strategy course is one of the main highlights. It focused on chart reading, spot pattern and basic risk management, all designed for beginners who want to understand market movement before trading real money. The course also ties directly to Finelo Stimulator, so you can practice strategy hands-on without any financial risk. However, the strategy lessons are quite basic and advanced trader may find the depth limited. It's a great starting point for learning structure and discipline, but supplementing it with other advanced courses can help you grow faster. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick financial app breakdown, and comment if you like me to review the Finelo other course next. And that's it.